In the still of the night, I feel my heart beating heavy, telling me you gotta have more. In the shadow of the night, I see the full moon rise, telling me what's in store. My heart started aching, my body started shaking, and I can't take no more.